Hello friends. So today we will discuss about last part of data structures, which is dictionary, and it is very important. So let's see what is dictionary and how we declare it. So I will write user is equal to, we will use curly brackets. First item is key and second item is value. First I will write key, which is my I will write name and will separated by semicolon. My name is Mridul, comma, age, semicolon, 20. Let's suppose this is our dictionary and I want to print it. So I will write print user. Suppose I want to print my name. So I will write user name. And now let's run this program. So here we can see we get output as Mridul. So that's how we print some dictionary. So there is another method to declare dictionary using tuples. I will show you. We will write user is equal to and parenthesis name is equal to Mridul, comma, age 20. If you are declaring dictionary using tuple, then you have to write dict command. This will convert your tuple into dictionary. Now let's print name Now let's run this program. So here we can see we get output as Mridul. So this is how we declare dictionaries. So let's see how we can iterate some key and some values. Like I want to print my age. I will simply write print user age. So here we get output as 20. Suppose if I have a large dictionary, let's create one. User is equal to, suppose name comma surname comma age comma weight let's 60. Now if I want to check that whether some key is present in that dictionary or not, then I will simply write if surname in user print present. Else print not present. So now let's run this program. So here we get output as present because surname is present in our dictionary. Now let's suppose I will write some key which is not present, like I will write height. And now let's run this program. We get output as not present. So that's how we can check some key in our dictionary. So if we want to check values, then we can write values, user.values. And now let's run this program. Sorry. Now here we can see that height is not present as a value. Now if I will write Raina, now let's run this program, and here we can see it is not present, okay, because I have written in capital letter. Now let's run this program. Now it is present. So that's how we can check that some key or some value present in our dictionary or not. If I want to print both key as well as values for a dictionary, then I can write, then I can use for loop like for key comma value in user dot items. Remember, by using this items you can print both key as well as values. Now let's print. Suppose I want to print key which is separated by values. Now let's run this program. So here we can see name, surname, age and weight all are get printed. So that's how we can use key value in user.items. Another important method in dictionaries is update method. If suppose I will show you it by example. Suppose I will write my dictionary as user, name, surname, age and weight, and I declare another user as surname, Sharma, and suppose I want to insert my favorite movie, then I write favorite movie Avengers. Now let's suppose this is my user 1, this is my user 2. Now let's suppose if I want to update user 1 for user 2, then I will write user 1 dot update, and here I will write user 2. After that we will print user 1. Now let's run this program. Here we can see we get name, surname changed from Sharma to Raina, from Raina to Sharma, and we get favorite movie as Avengers. So that's how we can use update method in dictionaries. Thank you for this lecture.